Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're excited to introduce you to the heavy-duty gold clothes rack. A perfect blend of functionality and style for your bedroom, office, or living room. Crafted from high-quality metal tubing with reinforced walls, this rack ensures durability and stability, capable of handling heavier loads with ease, while its 4 rubber feet prevent floor scratches. Measuring 15.7 inches deep, 39.3 inches wide, and 67 inches high, this open storage solution not only keeps your clothes within easy reach but also displays them beautifully on its 38-inch long rails. The multi-functional design includes a hanging rail, 2 shelves, and 6 hooks, providing ample space to organize clothes, shoes, bags, and accessories efficiently. With its sleek camber frame and metallic finish, this rack adds a touch of modern elegance to any decor. Assembly is a breeze with the provided instructions and tools, taking just 15 minutes, and maintenance is simple. Just wipe it down with a damp cloth to keep it looking pristine. Note that the larger laminate shelf should be installed on the bottom layer, ensuring optimal stability and organization. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.